If you want to change alarm volume on Samsung Galaxy A27, you can, for example, open settings on your phone, then go to sounds and vibration. Over here you can choose volume, and then here we have the alarm slider, and we can move it to the left and to the right in order to adjust the loudness of alarms. However, you can also do that in the clock app. So if we go to the clock app over here, then you should be able to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner. No matter what option you have selected over here, you should always be able to find the three dots, which we want to use, and go to settings. And then over here we have the volume option in the alarm section over here, and you should be able to adjust the volume over here. And there is also a possibility that you can set a different volume for each alarm. So if you have that option selected, then of course you cannot really change the volume over here on the slider below. And in this case, what you need to do is once you go to an alarm, if you try to customize it, then over here we should be able to find the sound option. And then in the sound settings here, we can adjust the loudness for that specific alarm. But keep in mind that the option in the alarm settings should be enabled. I mean, the option which I just changed to set a different volume for each alarm. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.